All right. Don't mind the hockey net to the left of the screen. Just got the camper unlocked, or the latches unlatched. I'm gonna show you. It's just 2, 4, 5, 6 latches around. How easy it is to pop this bad boy up. Boom. Ain't that magical? But wait, there's more. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, baby. Oh gosh, I love this camper. Look at that sky. My God. Superstition Mountain right there behind us over at Lost Dutchman State Park. Take a look inside real quick. Got all our luggage. We gotta clear out a little bit. Bed's not pulled out yet. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.